Welcome to the shop. The machine that you're looking at is called a K2 vertical knee mill, or for short, the mill. The mill can be used for various applications, as well as work with various materials. A couple of examples of what the mill can do are things such as drilling, tapping, and machining parts to a desired size. When using the mill, you can also cut molds, dies, and custom-made parts. The mill's tool set consists of a cutter. It looks like a drill bit, doesn't it? As you can see, the cutter rotates rapidly to cut the material, and depending on the material that is being machined, the bits can be interchanged. One advantage that the K2 vertical knee mill provides over other mills is the versatility that it gives when setting up the cut and when clamping a piece in. As you can see, when using the mill, a lot of metal chips are produced and are flying everywhere. To ensure your safety, make sure to always wear your safety glasses when using the machine. If you're facing the mill, turn around for a summary of the video. Today we looked at a K2 vertical knee mill. It can be used for various applications while using various materials. Some examples of tasks that can be performed are things such as drilling, tapping, machining parts to size, cutting molds, dies, and custom-made parts. It's very versatile when setting up and clamping compared to other mills. And when using the mill, to ensure your safety from the hot metal chips, make sure to wear your safety glasses. Thanks for watching.